Hello everyone. In the last period, we studied definite article, the how to use the article we studied. Today, we shall study omission of the article. Omission means omission. O-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Omission means what? Where should not we use? We should not use the article. Omission means. Okay. Here are the rules. Okay, the article is omitted before common nouns used in widest sense. Before the common noun in widest sense means woman is the best gift of a god. Yes, it what does it show? It shows the widest sense woman here. Then next, before proper nouns. Yes, we can't use before proper nouns. For example, the Sachin, the Amit, we can't say. Or the India, we can't say. The Maharashtra, we cannot say. Means before proper nouns, we cannot use article the. Again, before abstract nouns in general sense. Abstract nouns means which shows quality. Abstract means what which shows quality. In general sense, for example, wisdom is preferable to riches. Health is better than wealth. Health is better than wealth. These are the what abstract nouns. And here we cannot use what? We cannot use here. Correct. We cannot use the article. Again, before material nouns, we cannot use the article before material nouns like soil, clothes, silk, wool, gold, silver. Yes, like this. Means clothes are made up of cotton, silk, and wool. Again, neither gold nor silver is to be found here, right? Then, before titles, names of streets, etc. Before titles, names of streets, etc. Means Saint Louis is renowned saint. Okay, or Tilak Road is a beautiful road. Tilak Road is a beautiful road, like this. Again, before the names of meals, meal, dinner, lunch, breakfast, like this. Dinner is at 9 o'clock, or when do you have your lunch, like this. Before the names of games, yes, before any names of any games, we cannot keep the article. Means like Sheila plays badminton and baseball. We love playing chess, like this. Before the names of languages like English, French, Marathi, these are the languages. Here also we cannot use article the. Means English is spoken all over the world. Marathi is my mother tongue, like this. In certain expressions like all day and all night, in such expressions we cannot use article the. Okay. Again, he works hard all day, like this. In arts and sciences, also we cannot use. For example, painting is a fine art. Here we cannot use the article. Again, I do not like study physics, or I do not like studying chemistry, or I like biology, like this. Before these science subjects, we cannot use article the. In certain phrases consisting of transitive followed by its object. For example, to catch fire, to leave school. Yes, in these sentences, in these phrases we cannot use to send word, to shake hands, to give battle, to take breath, to set sail, to set foot. Okay, to give ear, to lose heart. Again, to lace his, to leave home, to go by air, to go home. These are the means like these phrases. If objects are there, we cannot use the article. In certain phrases consist of preposition followed by its objections. That is a noun. Means at sunset. we cannot use here. In fact, at school, at home, on horseback, here are what? Prepositions and noun. Here we cannot use. Okay. Or on foot, by air, examples I am reading. By sea, by land, by night, by day, by interest, in hand, at daybreak, at dawn, at sunrise, by train, in debt, DEPT, at ease, underground. Okay, again, in motion, at fault, for love, for money, at dinner, in bed, out of doors, sorry, here we cannot use the article, out of doors, by name, at night, at noon, to school, in jail, on deck, to market, in town, at table. In this way, article the is omitted or article the should not be used in these places. Okay, so these are the examples. I will send you this omission on the group. You write in your notebook. Okay, and the rules of using article the, that also I will send on the group. Okay, and you have to read them carefully. You have to understand the examples also, and you try it in homework. Okay, and write the homework and send me on WhatsApp. I'll check the homework. Write correctly in good handwriting. Okay, don't uh, miss the homework, because if you complete the homework, then you will understand what is the article. If you are having any confusion, listen again and again this video, so that you will understand what is there in it. Okay, so till then, stay tuned, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.